All right, so we're getting there. So we got the rear diff all made up, and we got the front TLR brace on. Had to do a little bit of modding to get so that it folded up. The brace folded up right here underneath this little lip right here. Had to do a little bit of sanding with the Dremel, no big deal, but that's done. And then the shims are on, and we are ready to close this back up. Alright, so here we are after the first day of wrenching. We got the gas tank on, we got the radio tray, we got the rear diff all set up, the arms, the shocks, the aluminum rear body mounts on, the exhaust hangers on, we got the boots on now drives, and I got some good fast eddies, transmission grease up on there, and got the BRP hubs on. Now this one was a pain in the butt. I think this was a Friday axle. I had to actually grind some off on the inside to get the pin to line up so it can drop down in there. But you know how that is. It is how the hobby goes, right? We got the center brakes on there. All together. Got the whole rear end together. Alright, now I'm still waiting for my diff internals for the front. I did not order them joints. Forgot to order 2 sets. Ordered 1, didn't order 2. Alright, so here's my parts pile dwindling down. And I'm about to pack it up for the night, get something to eat. But just want to give everybody an update, see where we're at. And I'll catch you on the next one. Alright, man. I'll let you.